This is a Highfield Patrol 860. It's a 22 model year, and we're going to show you all the features and benefits this boat has to offer. So subscribe to our channel. We're also doing a full walkthrough and a sea trial at the same time, which we're going to video, as well as a drone video at the same time. So come and see it right here, right now. Before you get started, check out our Parker Adams Superstore with loads of main brands for upgrading your boat, such as Raymarine, Garmin and Fusion. Check it out after this video. My name's Jonathan Parker from Parker Adams Boat Sales, and as you can see, we're doing a great drone video of the boat at the moment, just floating around. It's December, which is why I've got my hat on. It's very, very cold. My hands are cold. And we're going to do a bit of sea trial on this as well, just show you how it handles. This Patrol 860 is a fully aluminium boat. So the hull's aluminium, the console's aluminium, all the frame is aluminium, as well as the seat backs. So it's a fully aluminium boat. It's a very well built, it's built commercially. It's also, this has been used commercially as well, just for taking passengers though. As you can see from here, it's got 2, 4, 6, 8 jockey seats, as well as a bench seat, quite a wide bench seat as well. So it's an 860, so an 8.6 metre rib with quite a lot of seating, so very, very much lends itself to a commercial use for taking passengers. Also though, it has these fantastic drop down sides, so these are actually canvas covers with windows in. You can see it a bit better in here, and they drop down and actually give the passengers quite a lot of protection when they're going along. High pylon tubes, dark grey. I'm doing a quick walk around today. You can see it's got LED, blue LED lights, smooth lights all around, because we want to get on and do the sea trial. There's a cushion pad at the front, and we've got storage there. I do like the fact it's got a Samsung post on the front. I really like those. And a full windscreen as well. Look, so you've got a full windscreen protection. And you can see we've got LED all-round light on the top and LED nav lights to the side. There is a synthetic teak soft foam floor. So again, if you're barefoot walking around, it's very nice. There's a good bit of storage out in the back. Just lift this up. You can have a look. And there's a great bit of storage in here. Goes all the way down. You can see the build of it. You can see the all aluminium build. Well, up to Christmas, so I hope everyone's got their Christmas presents. Honda 250 on the back. We just did about 35 knots on this. The hull is it's a bit weedy underneath. It's kept in the water, this boat, so it's I reckon I'll get a few more knots out of it. But the roof as well is fully, it's not a canvas roof, fully aluminium roof. Electronic controls on there. We've got a Garmin and a digital readout for the Honda engine, and you can flick through different things, engine warnings. And this is the hours. Being a commercial boat, it's done quite a few hours, 1100 hours. It's probably above average for the age of the boat, especially. Normally in leisure use you'd probably do about 100 hours a year, so this has done 1166. But these Hondas are such a great engine. I've actually run Hondas before myself, and I've had 6,000 hours out of them without any problems at all. And then we've got the Garmin radio, Fusion as well, and we've got 2 Fusion speakers down at the front here for obviously your music. Very handy USB, and quite a nice Highfield logoed array of switches there, and a fuel gauge underneath. So you get quite good protection in here. So what I'm going to do is even look at a rear view mirror, which is quite funny. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to put this on the side, and then you can watch me. There we go, at the helm. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a bit of travelling. We're going to have the drone follow me at the same time. Get my kill cord on my leg, which is great. And then we're going to do a little run in Southampton water. Right, let's go. Right, the pickup's quite nice on here. We're just pulling along to start with. Doing about 5 knots. It's quite a comfy seat, very good visibility. This screen, I'm actually going into the wind and I can't feel any wind at all at the moment. So that's very nice. Just have a nice bit of protection. So I'm just going to speed up. I'm just going to see what the pickup's like. Oh, blimey, yeah, a lot of boost there. Very nice. Oh, that's very good. It's quite a fairly choppy. We've got a northerly wind blowing down an incoming tide. We're doing about 20 knots at the minute. Trim up. I think I need a bit more trim. I'm going to come around. We're just off of Hamble Point Marina. So just outside the entrance of the Hamble, just off of the shipping channel. Just pick up a bit more speed. We're doing about 20 or 30 knots now. Yeah, up to 34 knots. I'm just going for Eastern Chop actually, it's a very soft ride. Do a turn through some wash. Our boat's just gone past. I'm going to pull through this wash again and just see how it works. I'm going to accelerate. I'm going to go through it at 30 knots. See what the ride's like. Oh, so soft. This 860 hull's amazing. It's such a soft ride. No slamming or banging, no noises. Really, really good. Going to a turn. Just drive down a bit. So you can really trim this up and down because it's 8.6 metre. You can really trim it down, and you can see the wash sort of comes from this sort of from the console area, which is quite far forward. You can really feel it dig in, really feel the bow dig into the waves. Very solid. As I pick up the trim, the wash moves itself back. Now it's back sort of midway, final third, and you can really feel the difference. It gets lighter, it feels like it's running a lot more economical. Yeah, it's a nice speed. And again, I'm still doing 30 knots into a turn. Accelerate into it. It's not skipping. It bites very nicely. Yeah, very, very good. Another full turn and accelerate again. Right, and then it'll come off the plane. So it's like come off the plane quite quickly. Yeah, very smooth. Oh yeah, really nice. And then again, such amount of boost. You got to remember these aluminium boats are really light compared to the equivalent fiberglass. So you just don't feel the weight at all when you accelerate. Really nice, but because it's got the aluminium hull, it just makes such a soft ride. I've really been out in too many aluminium rigs, but I really like this. And the frame doesn't rattle. There's no banging or rattling. Moves around a little bit, but there's no rattling or banging. It's not noisy. It's not as noisy as you'd expect. Really nice. Right, just come down to a stop. As you can see, I've got our We're actually alongside, you might be able to just get it in the shot, if not you see on the drone video, Alexander's smaller Highfield, and we'll be doing a video on that as well. So if you want to come and watch the next video, come and see us at parker-adams.co.uk, our YouTube channel, Parker Adams Boat Sales. Subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoy this drone video. It's a little bit different from what we normally do, but we just thought, well, while we're out here, well, let's not do the walkthrough and the drone at the same time, and I can keep nice and cozy and warm with my hat on. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.